Kumpleto pa naman yung cellphone ko at wallet sa bag at sa bulsa. Dito pa naman yung camera. Wala pa namang ma-upload. So I don't think that I don't think that ito yung sinasabi nila na hindi safe area. Wait nga no. Wait, may volume. May volume tayo. Volume ba tayo?